Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how to make a registration page and easily collect data from others using Google Form. It is super fast method to collect data from others and it's for free. If you wanna make this type of form, we need a professional website, but Google is provide us totally free. Not only that, using this Google Form, we can make online exam question paper. In a word, it has many more advantage for lead generation. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. That's for first of all, open a browser and go to your Gmail account. And here click on this top portion of the window and just click on Drive. Once you open your Google Drive, then here click on New and go to Google Form. So basically here you have to customize this page for lead generation. Just select a name of the form and then we can create or edit options step by step. So let's begin. I'm gonna type a name of this form. I think a registration form will be good for properly explain. Okay, in the next step we can edit the first question. So as it is a registration page, the first question should be what is the first name. So I'm gonna type first name. And now we have to customize the rules of answering. Here you'll find many more options for customization. Select one of them which is proper answering method for your question. So as it is a question where people have to type something, we can select short answer for this question. Okay, so after complete the first question customization, here click on this plus icon to make a new question tab. Okay, so after click on this plus icon, a new question tab will open same like as the first one. So I'm going to type here last name. Customizing process also same for this one. One more thing, we can also turn on record, then no one can skip it. Again, make a new tab. And here I'm going to change the rules of answering. So as it is birth date, I'm going to choose date for answering. It's actually depend on the question. For gender, it should be multiple choice. And if you want to collect photos and videos, you can choose upload files. You can also select a maximum image size, then no one will be able to upload files larger than it. Okay, so once you have done it, you can share it with others where from you want to collect data. So here actually 3 ways available to share it with a community. You can send it through the mail, and the second one is just copy the link and you can share it anywhere. Here is a link shortener that you can use to shorten the link. Okay, so the third one for website. You can set up this registration page in any website. If you want to know more about it, comment in this video. I will try to make a video in this topic. So if anyone fill up this form, you'll find all data in response section. Here one more interesting feature, you can also convert this all data in Excel sheet. So it will make our work more easier. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. If you wanna get more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.